National Weather Service in Dallas-Fort Worth has issued a tornado watch for the western and central Texas area. The National Weather Service in Dallas-Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for the western and central Texas area. Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm producing a tornado. The tornado was spotted 8 miles west of Midland County, moving east at 80 miles per hour. A tornado has been spotted in your area. If in mobile homes or vehicles, seek shelter now. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch.